Born in 1952, David Kenani Maraga called the banana and tea-rich Nyamira County home. Hailing from Bonyamatuta Ward, the son of Nyamira probably didn't know those many years ago that he would one day find himself perched atop the nation's judicial branch. His quest to become a learned friend would begin in the lecture halls of the University of Nairobi, where he studied for his undergraduate law degree in the 70s. For 25 years, Maraga put the tutelage from the lecture hall to practice in the courtroom, running a private practice in Nakuru. In 2003, he retired his litigant garb for the robe of a high court judge, and in 2011, he was promoted to the Court of Appeal. From face value, he's a man with a pristine track record, his stature emanating integrity, and the bonus, he's an insider, an advantage he has over his predecessor. He was one of the 3 judges who applied for the top job from the Court of Appeal, a place he prides himself in cleaning up while serving as presiding judge of the appellate court in Kisumu. Between October 2014 and July 2016, he made 1,250 judgments, clearing case backlogs. A fact that can be corroborated by those in the legal fraternity who describe him as a stickler for punctuality, taking seriously the cases brought before him. His bold profession of his faith as a dedicated Seventh-day Adventist set him apart from the other 12 candidates, and he made it clear that work would not interfere with God.
It will be difficult for me to sit on Saturday. I will talk with my colleagues and see how they can accommodate me, and even if it means we sit late and deal with that situation.
On whether he would view the judiciary as a supervisor of the other arms of government or codependents, Maraga said respecting the roles of the other arms was the only way to work.
The court cannot go and begin supervising the parliament as to how to carry out that legislative function. And in that case, the court should wait until parliament has passed the act, look at it within the tenets of constitutionalism and see whether or not it has gone beyond the accepted bounds, and then declare it unconstitutional.
His unwavering stance on corruption was evident during the interview process when he maintained that he had never been challenged to influence a ruling in his judicial duties. But beyond cracking the whip on his contemporaries in the halls of justice, Justice Maraga wants to offer a helping hand to wananchi with a quick implementation of the Legal Aid Act that ensures Kenyans seeking justice are not locked out because they can't afford a lawyer. For now, the presumptive Chief Justice can rest in the fact that he is chief among the 13, and should he ascend to the presidency of the Supreme Court, it is there the work of turning the wheels of justice begins. Victoria Rubadiri, NTV.